Hello, so today I'm just doing a quick video to show you how to do tubular knitting on our wooden French knitter. You can buy all of these products in stores, and I'm just going to start off by showing you how to cast on and end up with a product as long as you make it looking like this. So just take our yarn and a knitted needle. Just drop that down through and put it through. Just hold the end tight, and we're just going to start by going around. So once you've got that shape, we're just going to continue to then loop around. So now we have 2 rows. So we're just going to take the knitting hook that I've got here, and we're going to take the bottom one and pull it over the top, just like that. And then keep going around, and then again you've got 2 rows. Take the bottom one and pull it over the top, just like so. And now you keep going around and round, and it eventually tubes down and pulls out the other end, so you can just keep going until it is as long as you want.
Ready.
So now I've chosen my desired length. I'm just going to show you how to cast off. So we're going to start here, and we're just going to take this one off of here, and we're going to pop it onto the one next to it. So now that one's completely empty, and you've got 2 here. So like normal, I'm just going to pull this down a bit. We're just going to take the bottom one and pull it up over the top. So you're left with 1. And then again, pull it off of here. Oh. Lost it. And onto this one. I'm making this look trickier than it is. And again, pull it off of pull the bottom one off and over the top. And then this one needs to come off and onto this one. And then right, so now we're just left with 1 on the top there. Just going to cut this, thread my needle again, and just go down in behind and pull it off. And just knot it again. And there you have it.